Incomparable craftsmanship and a posh exterior, the Apex home theater chair from Seatcraft is the top of its class in luxury. Comfort View technology allows you to adjust the headrest to the perfect angle, whether you want to simply relax or watch some TV. Comfort View powered lumbar adds a motor to the backrest that tailors to the natural curvature of your spine, reducing back strain and leaving you feeling refreshed. With a convenient powered recliner, the seats allow you the full range of comfort. Blue lighting rings the cup holders and accents the front paneling of each chair, allowing you to easily find your seat in the dark. With Soundshaker technology built into each chair and the optional Soundshaker Amplifier, you can enjoy a fully immersive movie experience right in your home. Conveniently located USB charging ports located in each arm means that your favorite devices stay charged while you recharge. With the included 360-degree swivel tray, you can add the convenience of a workspace onto the comfort of your home theater chair. And with the optional phone holder, tablet holder, reading light, or wine glass caddy, the Apex does it all. When it's time to get up, simply hold the home button to bring the Comfort View powered headrest, Comfort View powered lumbar, and powered recline back to their upright positions. Peerless, the Apex from Seatcraft.